Tiger. Tiger has golden yellow furry body with black vertical stripes. It is a wild animal. Mostly they are found in Indian forest. It is a powerful hunter, eats other animals and birds. Tiger's baby is known as cub. Do you know, children? Tiger cubs are born blind. They cannot see when they born. And tiger loves to swim and play with water. Elephant. Elephants are huge animals. They have a trunk and large ears. They use their trunks to gather food from branches. Also, they drink water through it. They eat grass, leaves, twigs, and shrubs. Do you know, children? Elephants are the biggest land animals and are very intelligent. Lion. Lion is a wild animal. Lions live in a group. Lions have darker colored hair surrounding its neck and head. Lion's baby is called cub. Lion eats other animals like zebra, deer, antelope, etc. Did you know? Lion lives in a group and the group of lion is called pride. Cheetah. Cheetah has yellow in color with rounded spots all over body. It has a rounded head. Cheetah can run very fast. They eat meat of other animals. Did you know? Cheetah don't roar. Leopard. Most leopards are light colored and have dark spots on their fur. These spots are called rosette because their shape is similar to rose. They eat bugs, fish, antelope, monkeys, etc. Facts. Did you know? Leopards are skilled climbers and like to take rest on branches of trees. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros are large animals with thick skin. Rhinoceros means nose horn. Rhinoceros are grey and black color. They have 1 or 2 horns above the nose. They eat grass and leaves. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus spends most of its time in rivers and lakes. They have large barrel-shaped body and short legs and a short tail. They have grayish to muddy brown skin. Hippo has the largest mouth of any land animals. Did you know, children? They are the second largest land animal. Hippos are great swimmers and can hold their breath from up to 5 minutes underwater. Bear. Bears have thick fur and a short tail. They have large body and stocky legs. Bears' babies are known as cubs. Bears eats grass, leaves, sometimes meat, insects and fish. Did you know, children? Bears have a large brain and are one of the most intelligent mammals. Bears run very fast and good climber. Giraffe. Giraffe is very tall. It has a long neck. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe baby is known as calf. Did you know, children? The spots on giraffes are unique. No two giraffe spots are the same. Just like humans, no two fingerprints are the same. Deer. Deer generally come in various shades of brown. Some deer have spots like the spotted deer and some young ones of the deer too have spots which disappear as they mature. Male deer have horns when they mature. The baby deer is called fawn. Do you know, children? Deer are good swimmers. They also have great hearing and an amazing sense of smell. Antelopes. Nilgai is the largest antelope in Asia. Mainly they are found in northern India. The mature males appear ox-like and are also known as blue bulls, a sturdy thin-legged antelope. It has a deep neck with a white patch on the throat. Female and baby antelopes are orange colored. Only male possess horn. They love to live in group. They eat grass and herbs. Otter. Otter has sleek, smooth fur-coated animal. It has grey to light brown in color. It has a rounded head and a hairless diamond-shaped nose. Its legs are short and strong with strong claws. Its tail is flat and rounded. It requires nearby fresh water for living because otter like to eat fish from water. Mongoose. Mongoose have long faces and bodies, small rounded ears and short legs, and long tapering tails. Mongoose is a sleek and a brown-grey coat long body. It has pointy nose and short legs with sharp claws. Mongoose eat mice, insects, fish, snake and also fruits. They live in burrows. Do you know? Indian grey mongoose are ability to fight and kill poisonous snake like cobra. Fox. Fox looks like dogs, but fox are much smaller than dogs. They are easily recognized due to longer snout and a bushy tail. Fox is a lowly animal. They live in a forest, grasslands, mountains and deserts.